the peppermint, I feel like I'm a little allergic, so I'll just use a little bit. That'll help. What is this one? Oh my God, y'all look at this. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil. See, I need to start looking through my items before I purchase things, because now, I mean, I done bought something I didn't even need right now. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the oils that I use to mix up for my pre-pool. I have not done this in a while, but I was cleaning out my kitchen, underneath my kitchen sink, and I decided to just go ahead and make me some more oil for my pre-pool. As you can see, this is empty, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this bottle, because this way I can like just kind of, you know, put it through my scalp and get all of the oils in my scalp that way, instead of trying just to use this little pointer or whatever you want to call it. So stay tuned. Okay, you all, so pretty much all I do is just put a few different oils, well, quite a few different oils in this container. So what I'll do is just unscrew the top and just start adding oils to the container. The first one I'm going to add is, well, I'm going to use a dropper. Well, I guess I can. I don't want to make a mess. Yeah, no. Let me get a paper towel. Oh, now this was what was underneath my sink. So you all look at this. Do y'all see the bleach on it? Now, if I wouldn't have had this at the bottom of my sink, underneath my sink in the kitchen, then this bleach would have got on my, you know, the bottom part, base, and that would not come out. So I'm glad I put this underneath there. So look at that. See, that's how breezy it is. So what I'm going to do is, because this drop is not going to do anything. My goodness. So that's the castor oil. I have a couple different oils that I want to use. This one is messy. This is the rosemary oil. I was told that you definitely need to dilute this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to use like maybe one full dropper. I can smell it, and it smells strong. It almost reminds me of the peppermint, which I'm allergic to. And this is the macadamian oil. This is not that thick. Smells so good. This you can also use for like how I have my hair on this little ponytail. I could spray this on my ends and also use something to help as far as a moisturizer, like maybe a type of moisturizing cream. Put that on and then put the oil on, help to seal in the moisture. This thing is getting oily. I'm gonna have to definitely wipe that off. Okay, next. So far we've had castor oil, we've had the rosemary oil, macadamia oil. Now I'm gonna get into these oils. So, extra virgin olive oil. Oh, that's a lot for that one. The next one is grapeseed oil. Now, I've had these for a while and they are still good. And the next next one is going to be tea tree oil. Now I'll just use a dab of this because again, I feel like between the tea tree and the peppermint, I feel like I'm a little allergic, so I'll just use a little bit. That'll help. What is this one? Oh my God, y'all look at this. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil. See, I need to start looking through my items before I purchase things, because now, I mean, I done bought some I didn't even need right now. But I'm gonna use this too. Just a little. So it probably comes like this because it is very potent, because it has that type of dropper. So I believe that the people are right about you need to kind of dilute that. The next one I'm going to use is the almond oil. All right. I already used. Oh no, so this was the regular castor oil. This is the black Jamaican castor oil. So this is the more thicker one. Look at that, y'all. My scalp gonna be like, thank you so much. Thanks for oiling my scalp. Okay, the next one, y'all, rosemary oil again. Do y'all see this? One, two, three. Ridiculous. I'm gonna have to give one away to somebody. The next one is tea tree, which I already used tea tree, so I don't want to use any more of that. And this is peppermint. I'm just going to use like a dab or two. I guess it came out. I don't know, but that's about it for that. And then avocado oil. This way you are getting all the nutrients from each and every one of these oils in one. And this is jojoba oil. Y'all have had these oils for a long time, but guess what? They still work. All right, so there you have it. You all quick and easy. And I'm not gonna shake these up, but just, you know, kind of try to mix it together. So what I will do is with the oil, I'll put the oil in my scalp, massage that, and I do have a massager that I have, so I'll massage that. Then I'll use really cheap conditioner, anything you have. I love this VO5, it's like $1. This, I need to repurchase Hello Hydration, but what I will do is use this and mix something else in with it, and then pour like maybe 2 teaspoons of the oil in the conditioner, and then that way I'll put it in, like if you're putting in a perm, like part your hair, put it on your scalp, and then lather it, work it down your ends, and make sure you really get like your ends really good. So that is how I make my concoction of my mixture of oils for my scalp, and this is all for my healthy hair care journey. So all these products that I've used, all these oils are to help with my healthy hair care journey. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to pop in real quick and show you all how I mix all of my oils together. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.